Have you ever wondered why some people transform their bodies in just a month, while others seem stuck in the same routine with no results? What if I told you there's a secret formula to sculpt lean, toned arms, a strong chest, a defined back, and abs that turn heads all in just 30 days? Stick with me, because today I'm revealing exactly how you can do it too. Welcome to the ultimate 30-day workout challenge, designed to transform your upper body and core. This isn't just about doing a bunch of random exercises. It's about following a strategic plan that guarantees results. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to tone your arms, strengthen your chest, sculpt your back, and carve out those abs, all from the comfort of your home or gym. And by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint for success. Why 30 days? It's the perfect amount of time to see real, visible changes. Your body is a machine, and when you train it consistently and with purpose, it responds quickly. But here's the catch. It's not just about doing the workouts. It's about understanding the process. That's what makes this challenge different. So, if you're ready to feel stronger, look better, and surprise yourself with what your body can achieve, let's dive right in. Imagine looking in the mirror on day 30 and seeing toned arms, a chest that looks lifted and strong, a back with definition, and abs that finally show the results of your hard work. Picture that. Now, let's make it happen. First, let's talk about preparation. Before you even lift a single weight or drop into a push-up, it's crucial to set the right foundation. This means understanding your body, your limits, and your goals. Take a photo of yourself today, front, back, and side views. This isn't about vanity, it's about tracking progress. Trust me, by the end of 30 days, you'll be glad you did. Next, you'll need to equip yourself with a few essentials: a set of dumbbells or resistance bands. Choose a weight that challenges you but doesn't compromise your form. A yoga mat for comfort and stability during floor exercises. A timer or interval apt to structure your workouts efficiently. And here's an important tip: plan your workout time. Consistency is key, so pick a time of day when you're most likely to stick with the routine. Stop wasting time on workouts that don't work. This plan takes out all the guesswork. Follow it step by step, and you'll see results like never before. The workout plan week by week. Now, let's break down the workout plan. Each week builds on the last, progressively challenging your muscles to grow stronger and more defined. Week 1: Foundation and Form. The focus in Week 1 is mastering the basics. Exercises like push-ups, planks, bicep curls, and tricep dips will dominate your routine. Don't worry about speed or reps right now. It's all about form. Proper alignment protects you from injury and ensures you're targeting the right muscles. Spend this week learning the movements and getting comfortable with the exercises. Week 2: Increasing intensity. By week 2, we're ramping things up. Add weights to your movements, extend the duration of your planks, and start incorporating supersets. A superset involves doing 2 exercises back-to-back with no rest. For example, pair bicep curls with tricep dips. This keeps your heart rate up and maximizes calorie burn. Week 3: Targeting the details. Week 3 is where the magic happens. You'll focus on isolating specific muscle groups. Exercises like lateral raises for your shoulders, chest flies for your pecs, and back rows for that V-taper look will be key. Abs will take center stage with movements like Russian twists, leg raises, and mountain climbers. Week 4: Full body challenge. In the final week, it's all about pushing your limits. High-intensity interval training, HIIT circuits, will combine all the exercises you've learned into fast-paced calorie-torching workouts. This week is designed to burn fat, build muscle, and reveal the lean, toned body you've worked so hard for. There will be moments when you'll want to give up. But remember this, your body is capable of so much more than your mind believes. Keep pushing and you'll surprise yourself. No workout plan is complete without addressing nutrition. What you eat will either fuel your progress or hinder it. Focus on lean proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, and tofu to repair and build muscle. Add in complex carbs like quinoa, sweet potatoes, and oats for energy. And don't forget healthy fats like avocado and nuts. Hydration is another crucial factor. Aim for at least 8–10 glasses of water a day. Proper hydration improves muscle function and helps reduce soreness. And let's not forget about recovery. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, at least 7–8 hours per night. Your muscles grow and repair while you rest, so don't skip this step. Most people don't realize this, but your diet can make or break your results. Nail this part, and you'll see changes faster than you ever thought possible. Let's address the obstacles. Life gets busy, motivation wanes, and sometimes it feels easier to skip a workout. But here's the thing, consistency beats perfection every time. If you miss a day, don't stress. Just pick up where you left off. And for those days when you feel like you're not making progress, remember that change takes time. Look at your photos from day one and remind yourself of why you started. Celebrate the small victories, like completing an extra set or holding a plank for a few seconds longer. The 1% rule. Here's a little secret. Progress is about being 1% better every day. That tiny improvement adds up to incredible results over time. The results you'll achieve. So, what can you expect by the end of 30 days? You'll notice a visible difference in the tone and definition of your arms, chest, back, and abs. But it's not just about looks, it's about how you feel. You'll have more strength, better posture, and a newfound confidence that radiates in every part of your life. And here's the best part, this is just the beginning. The habits you build during this challenge can set the foundation for a lifetime of fitness and health. The only thing standing between you and your dream body is action. Don't just watch this video, commit to the challenge and start today. You now have everything you need to start your 30-day journey to lean toned arms, a strong chest, a sculpted back, and abs that show your hard work. The plan is simple but effective. All that's left is for you to take the first step. Remember, this isn't just about changing your body. It's about transforming your mindset. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and trust the process. By day 30, you'll look back and realize how far you've come. If you're ready to take on this challenge, drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's do this together. Your 30-day transformation starts now.